If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Rocket League, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and then restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud service and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or Epic Games, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help fix error. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to issues with cloud saves. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to your Rocket League account. This can refresh your account settings and resolve any sync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Rocket League. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Rocket League support for further assistance.